Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn any photo into a PVC figure styles image. And the best part, it's super easy and completely free. So let's get started. First we'll be using an app called Dreamface. If you don't already have it, just go ahead and download it from the Play Store. Once it's installed, just open the app and log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface offers a free plans that give you weekly credits and a limited number of daily image or video generations. So you can try it out without paying. After you have logged in, you will land on the home page like this. And from here, just tap on AI filter. Now just scroll down until you reach the super filter sections. This is where the magic happens, and then just look through the options until you find the one called PVC figure. This one, just tap on it. Next, just choose the photo that you want to transform. Try using a clear portrait photo for the best result. And once you're done, select the photo, just tap on animate. And that's it. As you can see, the app will process your image, and in a few moments you will have your own PVC figure versions of your photo like this. And honestly, the results look so good. And okay, that's it. You have successfully turned your photo into a PVC figure for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.